Early Amazon investor Bill Miller is still bullish on Bitcoin despite the recent crash. What does he know? Bill Miller, a famed American investor, fund manager, and philanthropist, is nonetheless bullish on Bitcoin notwithstanding the current crypto meltdown that has viewed the fee of the flagship cryptocurrency plunge by using around 75% in contrast to its all-time high. In an interview with Barron's on Thursday, Miller stated he is amazed Bitcoin has now not misplaced extra price amid the latest crumple of FTX, as soon as the third largest crypto trade in the world that filed for financial ruin in early November. He said, "I'm amazed Bitcoin isn't at half of its cutting-edge charge given the FTX implosion. People have fled the space, so the reality that it's nevertheless putting in there at $17,000 is distinctly remarkable." He noted that phase of Bitcoin's terrible rate overall performance ought to be attributed to elevating rates. "I would assume that if and when the Federal Reserve starts to pivot toward simpler financial policy, Bitcoin would do pretty well," he added. Miller similarly referred to that he differentiates between Bitcoin, which he sees as a doable save of cost like digital gold, and all the different cryptocurrencies. He stated different digital belongings can be categorized as project speculation. He referred to that Bitcoin is nevertheless up by using around 190% in contrast to its 2020 low of $5,800. Arguing that Bitcoin has carried out pretty nicely overall. He added, "If all of us has a time horizon of longer than a year, you have to do pretty nicely in Bitcoin. I wouldn't name that an investment. I would name it a speculation, however I would name it a sound speculation." Aside from Bitcoin, Miller additionally disclosed that he owns shares in some of the largest crypto companies, which includes cryptocurrency trade Coinbase and Silvergate Capital, a crypto funding firm. He even claimed that he bought extra Silvergate shares a week in the past and plans to purchase greater Coinbase. Miller rose to prominence by outperforming the S&P 500 yearly from 1991 to 2005. He consequently served as the chairman and chief funding officer of Miller Valley Partners, which had $1.9 billion in belongings underneath administration at the stop of August 2022. Miller's remarks come as the bulk majority of digital property have misplaced around 70% of their fee in contrast to their all-time high so some distance this year amid the current market downturn. Bitcoin, the world's greatest crypto exchange, has been hovering around the $17,000 mark considering that the begin of November, which is down via nearly 75% in contrast to its ATH of $68,789.63 recorded in November 2021. Similarly, Ethereum is down by around 75% from its ATH of $4,891.